Could you explain the sort of the privacy compliance aspect of what you do and why that matters?
Sure. So today, we like to say that we are the cleanest data in the market. And in fact, if you're using any other data set, buyer beware. Vizio, being a pioneer both in interactive televisions, but also in pushing forward this data set, got hit over the head earlier than others in terms of, are you privacy compliant, as I'm sure you know. That is because, the first guy out is always going to get the question. The result of that was actually, you know what? Everything you're doing is fine, right? We maybe like you to change a few things here and there. We'd like you to tell people more explicitly, right, how you're doing it. But what you're doing is perfectly kosher, and that was very reassuring. In fact, today the entirety of the Vizio data set is 100% opt-in. It is the cleanest opt-in in the market. It is by far, as a consumer, when I have to look people in the face and say, this is my data, I can say, if I was a consumer, I would want this kind of notification and this kind of opt-in mechanism, right? Unlike what other people in the industry have done in the past, and what maybe parts of the industry we're used to, where you have a big, long terms of service, and it's written in Greek, or God knows what language, and paragraph 15C, subparagraph A, it said like some cryptic legalese. None of that nonsense, right? There is a very clear opt-in where to the consumer is explained in layman's terms exactly what it is we're doing, right, in a way that is understandable, and people can then choose whether they want to participate or not. And it is heartening for me that people choose to participate in this, and when they want to not participate, right, they also choose not to. So for example, if you have a data set and you have 99.9999999 opt-in, have you really done a decent job of doing opt-in? Really? Right? In our data set, not everybody chooses to win. We have a very high opt-in rate, but it's not anywhere near 100. And that makes us feel very comfortable that those people who genuinely do not feel comfortable participating in this data set have an opportunity and are able to get out.
Tell us how big the footprint is in terms of TV sets that are part of the system.
8.136 million as of this morning. And when we count our TVs, we don't count every single TV that ever maybe was sold and opted out and has been sitting in the garage for 30 days and the children have long since started using it as a fish tank. Right? We only count TVs that are active, right, that are still opted in, that are generating clean data. Right? We try to keep again, we are very much into transparency, right, and that our numbers can be taken to the bank. And so we have a fairly sophisticated way of explaining where our population comes from, how you get in, what counts as in, what counts as out. But those 8.1 are actually 8.1.